Hello, today we are gonna know about this packaging options. Look at this and the latest Gradle, it's deprecated and this exclude is also deprecated. How would we make it correct? First, let's comment this. Okay, and we would use packaging here and select this one and look at this. Now, whatever we have used here, we can use it here like this. Look at this. All right. So we won't use this one now, and instead we would use this. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.